Welcome to EDC Ideas. The most people from the EDC community know the really cool organizers from Expedition. Today I want to present you 4 other organizers that are not that popular in the EDC community, and I will show you what's inside. Let's start with the EDC organizer from Knives and Tools. It's a cool organizer, very similar to the Expedition organizers, but in my opinion the quality is a bit lower. I really like the slim design, the patch area and the possibility to attach things on the outside. On the back side you find this D-ring here and the possibility to attach more gear. But let's take a look inside. I really like the arrangement of compartments of this pouch, and I use this pouch for office carry. Let's start with the Knafs stropping leather, a cool little leather strop for EDC. You can hang the leather strop here, and I've used the green stropping compound from Knafs. All in all, it's a cool EDC gadget for all the knife sharpening enthusiasts who like to carry a leather strop on an everyday base. And I really like to carry my knives razor sharp, and this is a really cool item. The Fenix E-Spark fits perfectly in one of these compartments. I really like the combination and the idea of carrying a flashlight and a power bank in one item, and it's a cool flashlight for EDC use, and it's a kind of emergency power bank. You find the charging ports on the one side and the flashlight on the other side. For an office EDC, I like to carry a charging option. This one is the first part and you find the second part here. With this set I can charge different electronic devices, for example the Fenix E-Spark. Let's come to the last compartment on this side here. This is the Puma Cutlery card. It's a knife and fork combination in a credit card size. In the back compartment I carry the DMT Sharpening Card. This is the extra fine version. It's a really cool and slim sharpening card, and in combination with the Knafs leather strop, it's a really cool set for EDC sharpening. I like this card very much because it's a very stable card. You don't have any problems with bending, and the quality of the DMT products is great. As we know from DMT, the DMT sharpening cards are color coded. This one is the green version, the extra fine version. You also find a red version, it's the fine version, and the blue version. By the way, other product lines from DMT have a larger variety with different grids. When you watch my channel for a while, you know I always love to carry some duct tape. This is the Tesa version. The smaller tape on the right is Electrician tape, and this is the Tesa version 2. No office EDC without a pen. This is one of my favorite EDC pens, and I have this model in different colors. This is the Caran 849. All in all, it's a great and elegant pen. You get a lot of pen for the money and high quality, and this pen works also as a tactical pen. I don't want to talk that much about this 2-layer tool from Victorinox. It's the Victorinox Compact, and in my opinion one of the best EDC tools on the market. The Victorinox Compact includes a blade, scissors and a combination tool, and on the back side you find the corkscrew with a screwdriver and the universal hook with a nail file. Let's come to the conclusion of this pouch. I really like the Knives and Tools EDC pouch. Especially the arrangement of the different compartments is cool for an office EDC, and I carry this product for a year now. All in all, it's a cool and very slim design, and you can attach a lot of things on the outside. I have to mention that the quality is not on the same level compared to the Expedition products. Let's come to the next EDC pouch. It's the M-TAC Utility Elite pouch. M-TAC is not that popular in the EDC community. M-TAC comes more from the tactical community. I really like the quality and the price-performance ratio. But let's take a look inside. I like to carry the following stuff in this little pouch. First, the Leatherman Bit Kit. For the Leatherman Bit Kit I need the Leatherman Rebar, or maybe I need the Leatherman Rebar for the Leatherman Bit Kit. I really like the Leatherman Rebar because of the great pliers and the exchangeable wire cutters. The toolset is very basic, but I can carry a knife, a file and different types of screwdrivers. Yes, and when I need some additional screwdrivers, I use the Bit Kit. A big advantage of the Leatherman Bit Kit is the extremely slim design, but I have to mention that the quality is not on the same level as other high quality bits, for example from Vera. I also carry in this pouch the Vigor telescopic magnet. I like the telescopic function because when you need to pick up a screw or a coin, it's a very useful tool, and you see it's hard used. I mentioned it in a previous video before, there are a lot of cheap versions on the market, but I really like the version from Viha and I really like the hard set version too. The next item in this little tool pouch is a simple Sharpie. I love different brands when it comes to permanent markers. One of them is Sharpie, the other two are Edding and Staedtler. Tools are left in this pouch, and this is a very big advantage of this pouch because the Knipex 125mm series fits in perfectly. In the standard Knipex pouch there's only room for 2 of these pliers, but I like to carry the Knipex pliers together with other tools, and that's the reason why this pouch is a great choice for me. I think we don't have to talk about the quality of the Knipex Cobra series. Excellent tools for professionals, high quality, made in Germany. Let's complete the set. This is the Knipex plier wrench, also in the 125mm series, and this tool fits also perfectly into this pouch. But let's come to 3 more advantages of this pouch. The first advantage is you get a great price-performance ratio. The next advantage is on the back side. You can attach this pouch to your molly equipment. You can open this flap this way, you can attach this pouch to your gear, and you can put the flap back, and you have a very solid combination. Last but not least, you can attach a flashlight with a pocket clip on the outside, and I really like to carry this set in this way, that I always can grab my flashlight. This flashlight is the Ledlenser P2R Work. The R stands for rechargeable, and you can recharge this flashlight here. All in all, it's a cool EDC flashlight, even when I have problems with the Ledlenser quality. I really like the advanced focus system, the switch and the pocket clip. For me, one improvement of this cool M-TAC pouch would be that there are 2 compartments, so you can organize the stuff a little bit better. And for all the guys who prefer the all black style, you also find a black version. All in all, you get a really cool and durable pouch for the money. I really like this one for my toolkit, and if you don't carry a flashlight on the front side, you also can attach a cool patch. And surely you can use this attachment as a belt loop. Let's come to a very minimalistic EDC pouch. This is one of the greatest pouches for multi-tools Leatherman ever have made. It's mainly designed as a pouch for the Leatherman Charge, but I show you what's inside. On the left side, in this rubber loop here, I carry an Exotec fire steel, and the fire steel is secured here and here. It's impossible to lose the fire steel in the field. I really like the Exotec products. You can replace the fire steel and you have an extra storage. It's waterproof for your emergency tinder. And when you drop the fire steel, the orange color is easy to find. In this rubber loop on the right, I love to carry my Ledlenser flashlight. It's the Ledlenser P2R Core. It's a kind of little brother of the Ledlenser we saw before. It's a version that's not rechargeable, and I really like the switch, the pocket clip and the advanced focus system. All in all, the P2 series from Ledlenser is one of my favorites. In the main compartment I carry one of my favorite multi-tools. It's the vintage Leatherman Pulse. I really like the quality of the vintage Leatherman tools, and the toolset of the Leatherman Pulse is really cool for outdoor and EDC tasks. I really like the great blade shape, the pliers. You also find excellent scissors and a great file. And surely there are a lot of useful screwdrivers and combination tools in the Leatherman handle. A big advantage of this pouch is the hole in the bottom. You can carry the Leatherman multi-tool with unfolded pliers. In the back compartment of this little outdoor tool pouch, I carry the Fenix sharpening stone with a diamond side and the ceramic side. From time to time I switch the sharpening tool. I often carry the DMT sharpening stones too. Let's come to the conclusion. I really like this pouch. The combination of leather and rubberized nylon. There are a lot of options to carry other stuff with your multi-tool. The leather is heavy duty and I've used this pouch for years. It's one of my favorite pouches and sadly it's a discontinued model. You can carry this pouch in two ways, in this direction and in this direction. The snap is heavy duty and after the years still excellent, and I use the inner side of the flap as a leather strap. Let's come to the Böker ED3 Organizer. It's a high quality belt organizer made from leather with 3 different compartments. Let's start with the first compartment. I normally carry here my pocket knife, in this case the Böker Boxer. I think it's always great when the Böker pouch comes with a Böker knife, and I really like the design and the functionality of the Böker Boxer. Over the last years it's one of my favorite pocket knives, a classic backlock design with a great jimping on the backlock and a timeless design. The Böker Boxer works excellent in the kitchen and for outdoor activities too. The middle compartment is designed for pens or for pen-sized flashlights, and I carry here this sharpening rod from Soling. In the third compartment I mainly carry a multi-tool, in this case the Leatherman PST2. Like the Leatherman Pulse, the Leatherman PST2 is also a vintage multi-tool with a standard set of tools. I really like the slim pliers, the combination blade with a great belly and great serrations, and the scissors are excellent too. Please let me know in the comment section below what's your favorite unknown EDC organizers for the EDC community.